guys, we are going to go over to our YouTube studio, just like what I said to you that you should join my screen. Let me show you what you're actually missing in your YouTube studio. Now, I'm going to go to my YouTube studio. Okay, so this is my YouTube studio. Okay, this is my dashboard on my YouTube studio. Okay, now I'm going to go over to my analysis here. Okay, which is this very one, this one. I'm going to click on this one. Okay, now pay attention to what I'm about to explain to you. So over here, you see, there is something that I actually want you to pay attention, please. You see this place like this? There are many things here. You see this 4 dot here and these 2 things. There are many things here. I want to explain to you now. You see top tips for your thumbnail. Now click on this thing now. You see, say thumbnail help viewers choose yours. Now let's see how your thumbnails are doing. Now let's go. You see those thumbnails are working well. Now if you check these 3 thumbnails, you see that there is no how that an audience or a viewer will not click on this thumbnail on this video to see what is in the content of this video. Okay, so when an audience click on this video and the video or the thumbnail, according to the thumbnail, the video say what is in the thumbnail. The person will click the video and will keep coming to watch more videos on this YouTube channel. Now let's move on again. Now you say here is how to give your thumbnails every chance to shine. These are things that you don't know, and it's in your YouTube studio. Okay, you can find this thing in your YouTube studio. This is what YouTube is trying to let you to know that okay, if it is something is wrong with your YouTube channel, YouTube will tell you. If something is right, they will tell you. So now let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. Yeah, if you check here, you say make sure they are clean and easy to read. Now if you look on this thumbnail, do you see any bad thumbnail here? There is no how that you cannot click on this thumbnail because all these thumbnails are very unique. The text is okay, they are bold, and they are not too much colors. Okay, there is no too much colors on this thumbnail. So that is why I keep on begging you guys that whenever you create a thumbnail, make sure your thumbnail is bold enough, the text, the font is bold enough, is clear and clean. You don't need mix of too much colors. Okay, so that people that actually want to click on your thumbnail will actually know that this person is a professional in this field, he knows what he's doing. Okay, your video may be good, but your thumbnail may be something that will make viewers not to click on your video. Okay, just get it right. So YouTube is trying to let me know that okay, make sure they are clean and easy to read. Okay, these are things that YouTube is telling you, but most of you don't know about this. Now thumbnail change size on different device, so use high resolution image and text. Okay, that is very important. They are trying to let you know. Now let's move on again. Stand out next to other thumbnail. Now they are telling me that your thumbnail should preview your videos and spark curiosity. Now just take a look. There is no how that you can come on this thumbnail that you cannot click those videos. Okay, that you cannot click those videos. Now let's move on here. It's always remember to find your style. Familiar colors, face, and fonts help viewers return to your channel, just like what I explained earlier to you guys. Now keep it simple. Bold color designs are catching, but too much is overwhelming. You see, this is what you don't know. Too much color in your in your YouTube thumbnail will make YouTube not to suggest your video or viewers not to click your video. YouTube may suggest your video, but viewers are not clicking on the videos. Okay, now target your audience, match design to your viewers, preference and familiarity with yours. Okay, now let's move on. You say, what want more? Watch for more ways to boost your channel, your thumbnail. Okay, now this is all about. Now let's move on to the other one that I actually want to explain to you guys. Let's go. Okay, you see, learn how YouTube recommend content. Now click on this very one. You see, recommendations are based on a few different things. Now let's take a closer look. Now let's go. You say, do your videos stand out to people? Now take a look on this. So now this is how YouTube suggests content. They are going to push these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos and see if viewers are going to click on these videos. So if viewers do not click on this video, YouTube is going to bring down all these videos and suggest another videos. So when they begin to see that people actually click on those videos, they will begin to suggest most of my content to new audience. Okay, now let's go. Now they say, do people choose your video? Now, see, you say every 100 times your thumbnails are shown, viewers choose them one time. I don't know the reason because the thumbnails are good, but what is making viewers not to click on my videos? So this is it. They say many popular videos are choose up to 10 times in the first day. That is it. There are many videos, people that create videos like you, like me, people click on their videos more than what YouTube is saying, 10 times than mine. Let's move on. He said, do your video keep people watching? Now, your 12-minute videos, this is 1.440. Let's go here. You say many popular 12-minute videos is 6 minutes 10 seconds. Okay, let's keep going. Now, do people enjoy your videos? This is like, share, and comment. Okay, this is it. People are showing more of what they like, share, and respond positively into YouTube survey. Okay, so this is it. This is things that you're actually missing. Don't forget how people are influenced by top interest. Are you choosing a popular or unique topic? That is what I tell you guys. I've made a video about this, how you can choose or how you can follow trending topic, trending videos that people are talking about, especially in your niche. You watch that video in the description of this video, okay? Check the link. The link is there. Now, say competitions. Are there other videos on the topic they could watch? That is the number one thing. When you are making a video, that is why I talk about playlists. Okay, you can watch that video in the description of this video where I talk about playlists, how you can create a playlist and be talking about videos that are related to that playlist. Okay, now you see seasonality. There are times that videos move depend on that kind of season. So what are the videos that you're actually making? That is number one thing. Okay. Now, learn more from an expert on YouTube recommendation. So you see, say YouTube algorithm 2023, what creator need to know. Now, if I want to make a video about this, I will say, you say, learn more from an expert on YouTube recommendation. YouTube algorithm 2025, what creator need to know. Okay, so this is it, guys. I think this is where we are going to end this video. Please make sure you always use this and know how your YouTube work. Now come over here again. Let's come. You say new viewers found your videos channel in the last 90 days. Okay. Now take a look. You say one way to grow is getting more to return. Now you see 89% and I have 11% returning to view my videos. Okay. Now you won over new viewers with those videos. These are the videos that actually trend on my YouTube channel. Okay. Now say here is how to keep them coming back. Understand their brand. What first made them choose your videos? These are things that you need to understand. Now involve your topic. What type of content are they expecting from you? Now you need to know that what kind of content did your audience are expecting from you that you will create more of those topics. Now stand out. Do they recognize you when looking for something to watch? Always use unique images to create your thumbnail. Very important. Okay. Let's move on. Discover more ways you can make them more of trend. Okay, understanding your viewers, trend, new and return viewers. Okay, this is very important. So, guys, I think this is where we are going to end this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please join my community. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. Support me. I'm a small YouTuber. I really need you guys' support. Okay, and as you support me, God is going to bless you, and God is going to support you, and I'm going to support you as well. So I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in another video.